Okay, we are at Bryce Canyon National Park. We just drove literally straight through from where we previously were. Yeah, it's coming almost 4:30, I think. I'm pretty sure the visitor center is closed, but we're gonna see what information we can find and see if we can decide where to go for sunset. It's about 5:18 is when sunset is, so we're just gonna to see what we can find here and decide. Okay, we drove further into the park. The visitor center was closed, but we're looking at the map. There's a place called Sunset Point, so that's where we have come. So we get sunset's about half hour from now, so it should be really good starting now. I can kind of already peek through there. See, it's going to be pretty darn good. So let's head over that way. Man, I got more snow here and also more people. 8,000 feet elevation. Wow. I did not realize it was that high. I knew it was higher, but wow. There's a sign over here. We'll take a quick look at that. And here's one sign here. Okay. In summertime they have shuttles. Okay. That just basically tells about the shuttles, I guess. Yeah. Let's go take a look at this one. Okay. All right, not much here either. Okay. Let's go this way. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Nice. Huh. Oh. Look at that. Oh, wow. Hey, I'm going to walk over there real quick and come back. All right, now we head up here. Popular place up here. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I mean, yeah. Where would you would hit the camera? Yeah. You could do that. Oh, yeah, like baller. A lot of this is icy. We could probably slide down like we did with Zion. There was a cliff then.
I know, but there's another. It looks nice though.
It's right.
It's just what it's just what your eyes see.
Yeah.
It's not actually there.
That's true. That's
Look at that.
pure ice.
Oh, there's a trail down there. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, that's the Navajo.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think we're going to do that. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's practically glare ice down there.
We're trying to slide down.
This is what I like the sand castle. Yeah.
You made this.
I can tell. That is cute. Oh wait, no, I just took out your camera.
All right.
It's deep. Amazing. Beautiful. Just came from that direction. It's kind of making our way along the rim here.
Come on, buddy.
Legend people there. Had to look at that one. Okay. As beautiful as it is, I think we should have been here just a little bit earlier when the sun was angled and had all this lit up down here too. If the sun was higher. And then the whole thing would have looked, as bright as that. Yeah, beautiful. There's far more people here than those other national parks we've been at this past week. Came back down here. Obviously, this is a popular place, and it's even got a building over here. Curious just to see what is in what the building is. I'm sure it closed, but Just to satisfy my curiosity. Okay. Appears to be just the restroom. Okay. Yeah. Just restrooms. They even got picnic tables here, so wow. Yeah, this is a popular place, obviously. I'm gonna head back up up to the point now. There's a trail you can take to get down there. That's the Navajo Trail. Cool. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. That's the Navajo Trail down there. Quite covered in ice and snow. Okay, here we are. Just got in the room here. We're right outside of Bryce Canyon National Park. Our room is right back there. Gosh, I don't even realize what town we're in. Oh well. But anyways, that's going to wrap up this video. That wraps up today. Going to eat pretty soon. I'm probably just going to make a couple sandwiches, like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches in the room there. Not going to go to the restaurant, but breakfast is included apparently. Apparently here. So, oh well, that's going to do it for today. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video tomorrow. We're heading into Bryce Canyon National Park. So, going to be a full day. Yeah, and we're probably going to be, well, we will be spending a second night here. So that way we don't need to drive all the way to over by Zion tomorrow. So, okay. So once again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.